Good morning guys! It's our day 3 here in Cebu, and for this vlog we're going to Mualbual and Tubajan for the canyoneering. But before that, we had a stopover in Karkar to taste their lechon. And we weren't disappointed because for us this was the best lechon that we ever had in this trip and in my entire life. So they gave me a sample balat, and it was very crispy. So we decided to have breakfast here, and we ordered 1 kilo of lechon for 700 pesos per kilo, and we ate that for breakfast at naubos namin yun with puso rice. So ito na yung aming super juicy, super crispy lechon, at ito nga yung aming breakfast for this trip. And guys, if you have time, please do drop by in Karkar in the morning so that you can taste their best lechon. So, totoo nga ang chismis, this is the best lechon in the world. So, ayan, nag-breakfast na kami dito, and madadaanan nyo to kapag nag-southern tour kayo. Just make sure na agahan nyo lang para mabutan nyo pa yung maraming lechon, kasi mga after lunch daw dyan, especially pagka weekend, nauubos na yung mga lechon nila. So, here we are enjoying our lechon. And after this, we went ahead and went to Mualbual for the sardine run. And the view was very scenic kasi medyo mga bundok na yung madadaanan ninyo. Kaya, instead of sleeping, I stay awake and enjoy the scenery of southern Cebu. Hello guys! Dito kami ngayon sa Mualbual for our day 3 here in Cebu. And kanina naglechon lang kami. Nakita nyo naman yun, sobrang sarap. Nakatulog ako sa biyahe. 1.5 hours pa yung biyahe from Karkar to Mualbual. And okay guys, meron akong katangahan ginawa. Naiwan ko yung seal ng GoPro ko kasi nakalagay siya sa media mod. Tapos di ba yung parang baterya may ano yun, may parang takip. So naiwan ko siya, kaya hindi ko magamit for underwater. Kaya ay nako. Pero anyway, magrenta na lang tayo ng GoPro kasi hindi na pwede magdala ng camera ng phone doon sa laot. Kasi from here sa van namin, diretso na kami doon. Wala nang bangka, diretso na doon sa sardine run. So magrenta na lang tayo ng GoPro natin, no? So ayan, naka-ready na kami. Ayan, sila na. Ayan, so iwan ko na tong bag na to. So sana makuha tayo ng mga shots doon. Kasi ano wala nga tayong GoPro, maki-video na lang tayo pag di tayo nakapag-ready. Right, so see ya! So if you notice guys, so hawak-hawak kami ng mga guide. So we weren't allowed to take off our vest kahit gusto nung iba dahil medyo malakas yung alon noon. Malakas talaga yung alon dahil merong low pressure ng time na to. I wanted to take off my vest para I can swim down below at makita ko yung mga sardines to get that money shot, but sad to say weren't allowed dahil nga malakas yung alon and for our safety na rin. So kaya ganito yung mga shots. So shot to ng guide namin actually. So may mga sardine naman pero we weren't able to see some pawikan, and we weren't able to do that signature shot underwater with a sardine and you in the middle of them. Kaya ganito siya. So we'll just come back here siguro kag summer na.
2, 3. Alright. Okay. Sige lang ma'am. Slide ka lang dyan ma'am. Slide ka lang. Sorry. I forgot. Go to the joker. Hi. Hello! Hi! Ngayon! Cebu! Bulat ka lang man? Upo ka lang, bulat. 1, 2, 3, go. Ito lang sir, ito lang. Bato sa harap mo ma'am. Go. Hey, 2, 1, go! Go! Kaya yan sir, kaya yan! 1. Relax lang! Okay, once again, 3, 2, 1, go! Ang galing! Sir, hands up! Hands up. Go! Woo!
Canyoneering is the highlight of our trip in Cebu. This activity made up our day and we were able to recover from the bad weather during the sardine run. We may end this activity, but we'll definitely look back at the memories we had on each jump.